In this video, we are learning about congruence of triangles. Before going to the topic, let us see what are triangles. Triangle is a simple closed figure having three sides, three vertices, and three angles. Now, let us see what is congruent or congruence. Congruent means equal figures whose shapes and sizes are same. Examples for congruence: biscuits in a package and pages of a book, etc. Congruence is denoted by the symbol. When are two line segments congruent? When these two line segments are equal in length, then they are congruent. Look at these line segments. Here, line segment AB is equal to 7 centimeters, and line segment PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. Their lengths are same, so they are congruent. In the second example, their lengths are different, so they are not congruent. When are two angles said to be congruent? Two angles are said to be congruent if they have the same measure. Here, angle ABC makes 45 degrees and angle PQ makes 45 degrees. The measurement of these two angles is same. That is 45 degrees. Therefore, we write angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. In the second example, angle LMN makes 40 degrees and angle XYZ makes 90 degrees. In this case, the angle of LMN and XYZ are not equal, so they are not congruent. Congruence of circle. Two circles are congruent if their radii are equal. Now, coming to the topic, congruence of triangle. Let us take two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. When are two triangles said to be congruent? Two triangles are said to be congruent when their corresponding parts, that is, vertices, angles, and sides, are equal. Here, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are two triangles. When you place triangle ABC on triangle PQR, their corresponding corners coincides with each other. A lies on P, B lies on Q, and C lies on R. Also, angle A coincide with angle P. Angle B coincide with angle Q. Angle C coincide with angle R. And side AB coincide with side PQ. Side BC coincide with side QR. Side CA coincide with side PR. From this, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Two triangles are congruent if and only if their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are congruent. Here are the criteria that can be used to show triangle congruence. They are side angle side congruence, angle side angle congruence, angle angle side congruence, side 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 congruence, right angle hypotenuse side congruence, side angle side congruence. If any two sides of one triangle and the included angle are equal to the two corresponding sides and the included angle of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Here, side AB is congruent to side QR. Angle A is congruent to angle R. And side AC is congruent to side PR. Then, we can consider triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. For example, observe these two triangles. Here, side AB and side DE are equal to 5 centimeters. Angle B and angle D are equal to 60 degrees. Side BC, side DF is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore, by the SAS congruence criterion, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. Angle-side angle congruence. If two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two corresponding angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Here, angle A is congruent to angle D, side AB is congruent to side DE, and angle B is congruent to angle E. Then we can consider triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. For example, observe these two triangles. Here angle A and angle D is equal to 60 degrees. Side AB, side DE is equal to 7 centimeters. Angle B and angle E is equal to 75 degrees. Therefore, by the ASA congruent criterion, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. Angle side congruence. If any two angles and a non-included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and non-included side of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Here, angle A is congruent to angle P. Angle B is congruent to angle R, and side BC is congruent to side QR. Then, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. For example, observe these two triangles. Here angle B and angle P is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C and angle Q is equal to 50 degrees. Side AB and side PR is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore, by the AAS criterion, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. Side congruence. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Here, side AB is congruent to side PQ, side BC is congruent to side QR, and side AC is congruent to side PR. Then, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. For example, observe these two triangles. Here, side AB and side PR is equal to 3 centimeters. Side BC and side RQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Side AC and side PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore, by the SSS criterion, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. Right angle hypotenuse side congruence. If the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle are equal to the corresponding hypotenuse and the side of the other right angle triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Here, angle A and angle P are right angles. Side AB is congruent to side PQ, and hypotenuse BC is congruent to hypotenuse QR. Then, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. For example, observe these two right angle triangles. Here, angle B and angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Hypotenuse AC and hypotenuse DF is equal to 7 centimeters. And side AB and side EF is equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore, by the RHS congruent rule, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. Thanks for watching.